can be useful to have an About Me slide or an Introducing the Speaker slide in your presentation. This may include a picture, for example, if you're going to be emailing it and you're not going to be presenting it in person. Establishing credibility with your audience and explaining why you're an expert on the subject can really help them to become more receptive on what you're about to say. People tend to listen and absorb more from someone that they think knows more about a subject than they do. So establishing that credibility early on can really help you get your message across. If someone in the audience is about to give you half an hour or an hour of their time, it can be good to convince them why they should be doing that. And that's by showing yourself as an expert and explaining to them why you're qualified to be talking on what you're about to talk about. So an example here is I've included my full name and my work experience, and that can help them see me as a professional, for example. And then a couple things about me just to build that interpersonal connection. What I'm passionate about, where I'm from, and what I like doing for fun. Those are kind of optional, but those are little things to help you build credibility and connection with the audience. You probably don't need a picture of yourself if you're going to be presenting. It might look weird for everyone to be looking at two versions of you, but if you're going to be sending the pack or it's going to be saved somewhere, it can be good to include a picture of you so that someone can build that connection and potentially even recognize you.